Hey guys, it's Madison. Thanks for joining me in this faithful home for our first video of 2021. For today's video, I am going to be undecorating everything from Christmas and giving our living and dining room a really good cleaning because I love Christmas and I enjoyed getting to decorate, but I'm ready for just a nice refresh, reset, everything being really simple and not feeling so cluttered with all the Christmas decor. So as I go through this video, I hope this gives you guys some motivation to undecorate your Christmas tree if you haven't already, or maybe just tackle a couple cleaning projects that you have been putting off around the house. This year I have decided to change up my uploading schedule just a little bit, so I will be posting every Wednesday at 3 p.m. Eastern. You can expect to see Christian homemaking videos, lifestyle content, and anything DIY related. So if any of that interests you, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button so you feel welcomed into this faithful home with me. As I packed up these things from Christmas, I tried my best to condense everything down to these 4 bins that you see here. Now, when I first unpacked everything, I didn't end up using all of my decor, and I ended up not loving half of the stuff that we had, so I decided to donate a lot of it beforehand, the things that were just left in the box that I didn't use, and I really reevaluated everything that I had that I was putting away in the boxes from this year and decided, is this something that I really need? Do I have too much? And what can I give to someone else that may bless them more than myself? David's little Star Wars Christmas tree was probably one of my favorites that I set up this year. Next year, we are going to incorporate all of those ornaments onto the big tree and not have a classic Christmas tree. Whoa, there we go. I almost broke half of his ornaments. It's fine, I promise. But really, I am excited to get to kind of change it up next year. So the little Christmas tree that you see here will be going to a better home, aka the thrift store. Now later on you will see that I just throw all of the other ornaments straight into the bin, but for David's keepsake ornaments, these are really valuable and they have like the recordings in them. So I want to make sure that I use the original boxes that they came in. This little tree here had all of my little sentimental ornaments, and I am putting all of them into this Christmas box that was displayed on our coffee table throughout Christmas. I find that they store really nice and easily in here, and it best utilizes our space. Over on my Instagram, I showed kind of a highlight reel of David and I decorating this gingerbread house, which is our tradition, and it was super cute while it lasted, but let's be honest, does anyone really eat the gingerbread afterwards? We do live in an apartment right now, and I was able to store our Christmas box outside on the patio in our little like storage area, which was really nice and convenient. And then somehow, I am not really sure how, I managed to get the entire tree back into the original box. Comment down below if that's something that you can do, or if you end up having to store them in multiple boxes, because I swear Christmas trees never go back the way you purchase them. But somehow I still made it work this time. And because I did not want to climb down 4 flights of stairs with these boxes, because I already had to hike up 4 flights of stairs at the beginning of Christmas time when I had to get them from our garage space, I'm going ahead and putting all of our decor inside this little cabinet space on our patio. Though I'm going to make David carry the Christmas tree down the stairs. Okay guys, shout out to David for buying me one of the greatest Christmas presents. You know you're an adult when you get excited about a vacuum, but this is our first real investment vacuum that we have purchased, and it's a Dyson. It's an animal one, like it's good for animal hair, which really helps for me because, you know, females, we shed a lot of our hair, and so I have already loved this vacuum so much, so I'm going through with our carpet and just giving it a nice clean vacuum. And now that the Christmas tree is gone, I wasn't really sure what we would put in that corner, but I decided to move David's record player over there, and I really love how it looks in that nook. For everything that I am cleaning off, I am using the Young Living Thieves Cleaner. It is in my amber glass bottle, and then I am wiping it down with this dish rag. If you look up on our letterboard, I originally had it say, "How I feel when there is no coffee, depresso." And I put that originally when I cut out caffeine from my normal everyday life, and I have not had coffee in 2 months now, and I am doing a whole lot better, so I decided to change out the letterboard for this year. Pray more, worry less. I feel like that is such a statement we need to remind ourselves. I don't know about you, but when I like to clean and vacuum, I go all out every time, moving all of the furniture out, giving everything a good once over, and then putting it back in. I feel like that's just the most satisfying and successful way of cleaning any room. But let me know down in the comments below how often you guys actually move your furniture to clean. Because guys, it hasn't been that long since I've vacuumed our couch, and look how many crumbs are already on that. Now granted, David and I do eat dinner and lunch usually on the couch as opposed to the dining room table, but still, word to the wise, clean under your couch cushions every now and then. Now the most satisfying part of it all is getting to put all of our furniture back in place, and David's headphones for his Xbox, which I think I tried to be cool and put them on, but really they were backwards. Don't tell David. The end table that we have that you see there has an electrical plug to it, so there are outlets and USB ports, which is super nice because I can charge my watch, phone, and David's headset all at once. If only it were this easy, guys. Snap of the finger and your couch is made. I wish it were like that sometimes. The final thing I'm going to do for the living room and dining room cleaning is diffuse some thieves in our diffuser, and that just will give everything a nice fresh smell for the house. Guys, it is so satisfying to sit back in our newly cleaned apartment, undecorated from Christmas, ready for 2021 on a clean slate in this apartment. It is so clean and I'm obsessed. I loved getting to decorate for Christmas, but there is something so satisfying about taking everything down, re-cleaning everything in the areas that you decorated, and just feeling so satisfied. Like the space, you just have so much more space in your living room. The tree is not like the focal point anymore. I actually moved, like you saw, our record player to where the tree was sitting because we really didn't know what to put there beforehand, and then by the time we moved in and unpacked, it was time to decorate for Christmas anyways. So I'm just really loving how open and airy this space is. I love that I have the window open behind me. I can listen to the birds chirping outside. It is very relaxing and enjoyable, which I love when I walk into the home every day. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and comment down below whether or not you have undecorated your Christmas stuff yet. You interacting with me on the channel is a great way to support my small business, and I'm so thankful for you guys and the support you have given me so far. I can't wait to see what's in store for 2021, and I hope you enjoyed this first video to kick off the new year. If you are new to my channel, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button so you feel welcomed into this faithful home with me. Follow me over on Instagram so you can keep up with my daily life, and remember, I post videos every Wednesday at 3 p.m. Eastern, so I will check back with you guys next week for another video. Bye guys!